Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this video is how to take science notes from your science book. I will be using Science 6. However, this applies to 7 and 8 as well. So you can see I'm in my Schoology page, and I'm going to go ahead and click my course. I'm going to scroll down. You'll see the first day of school tour. That's where I put, different videos. This video will actually be in that folder here in just a minute. And then you'll see the weekly lesson planners. That's where you have what we're doing for the week. If I scroll down again, and there's also a weekly lesson planner button. And then finally, you'll see there's this Module J Chemistry. That's the book that you have. Student Resources and Early Finisher. So we're going to go into the book that we have. Now you can't see the stuff that's in gray, so don't worry. There's only one thing that you can click, and we're in Unit 1. We're in Lesson 1. And you can see you can click on the Property of Matter song. You can click on the Generation Genius video. You won't be able to see any labs, and you won't be able to see the quiz. But here are the notes in the student book. So the student book that's attached here is just a digital version of the paper copy that you have, just in case you leave your book at school. What we'll do is we're going to open this. And we're going to download it. You see right here where we can download. And you should have a paper copy of this. But if you want to do this virtually or online, I wanted to show you how to do it. So you'll press the download button. You'll open it with Word. And you see up here where it says Enable Editing. You're going to want to click that. And the first thing you see where it says Read Only up here, you're going to want to go File, Save As, go to your OneDrive, and you're going to want to find your science folder. Like you have this 2021-22 English, you're going to want to find your science folder. So let's pretend that's science, and you're going to want to save this here. You're going to want to do that before you even get started. Okay? Once you're in here, you can see that you have your notes. You have different vocabulary words. Everything's there. So I'm going to grab this at the top. I'm going to drag it over here. And you can see how it kind of has half and half. I'm going to go back here. Let's see, and I need the book. So let's go back to here. Let's see the book. Now the book is here. Let me make that big. Oh, not that big. Okay. I don't know if we can. So this is the book. And what you'll notice is this is huge. I'm going to have to undo this. Can I exit? Exit. Lovely. Let me just go to the book and show you. So if you have and you can download the book if you want to, but you'll see at the bottom, you'll see the page numbers here. It doesn't correspond up here for some reason, but so that's page 6. We have mass, weight, and that's page 7. Again, you can use the paper book. That's not a problem. That's page 9. The page numbers are important because if we go back to our notes, you'll see that this matter is defined, and DFN is definition. Matter is defined on page 6. And everything here you'll be able to find on page 6 until you see page 7. Okay? So once you see page 7, you'll see everything there should be on page 7 until you see the next. Yeah, all of this is on page 7, and you keep going until page 10. So it's not every single page. You just have to watch for it. The other important thing you need to know is that, say you're typing here. You're typing, and do you see what happens? I'm still typing, but you can't see it. So this template doesn't automatically go to the next line. When you get to close to the end of a line, you have to take your arrow or your cursor and put it there so that you can see it again. Oftentimes students lose some of the information that they have because they don't remember to do that. So that's very important if you're going to do this on a digital format. All right, so that's about it for how to do notes. You can either write them on the paper that you're given, or you can do them online. Let me erase this. And again, everything is, your notes are from your book, and it should be okay. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.